Move it! Get these crates on the truck! Watch the ramp! It's slipping! Almost there! Secure it! Move it! Get these crates on the truck! Watch the ramp! It's slipping! Almost there! Secure it! Can you add the name Build X to the worker's uniform?
Yes, right away.
Starting the wash cycle now. Pressure is optimal, they're getting clean.
Viscosity is optimal. Agreed. Monitor the flow. Steady increase. Good. The flow is stable. Check the clarity. Particles are filtering out. No blockages. Good. Monitor the rate.
This one measures 2.3 millimeters. Okay, this one is 2.4 millimeters. All right, starting the grind.
Looks good. Keep it steady.
Okay, stopping now. Start the cycle. It's feeding through. Cycle initiated. Pressure rising.
Steam is building. Monitoring the contents.
Sterilization complete in 3 minutes.
Nozzle alignment looks perfect. Fill levels are consistent. Good. Let's check the next batch. Labels are applying smoothly. Good. Keep monitoring the alignment. Alignment is perfect. The flow is stable. Check the clarity. Particles are filtering out. No blockages. Good. Monitor the rate. Throughput is steady at 45. Good. And the defect rate? Below 1%, well within limits.